Greetings from the off-grid luxury of the future. The 2026 Hummer Motorhome is a vehicle that completely reimagines what adventure is all about. This all-electric monster, which is based on the groundbreaking GM Ultium EV platform, has a tri-motor all-wheel drive system that produces more than 1,000 horsepower and a range of up to 450 miles. Its muscular, tough design keeps the recognizable Hummer look while adding a modern touch. This machine is made to dominate any terrain to its enormous 37-inch tires, cutting-edge skid plates, and strengthened carbon fiber body. It can move into tiny spaces that would stop other RVs in their tracks thanks to features like CrabWalk mode and four-wheel steering. It's a mobile fortress of luxury and power, ready to transport you to the ends of the earth. The driver's cockpit seems more like a spaceship command center once you step inside than a camper van. A big 13.4-inch center touchscreen is your essential point, handling everything from navigation to your off-grid systems. A 12.3-inch digital driver display is perfectly integrated with it, giving you access to all the important data you want. You can manage obstacles with complete confidence thanks to the UltraVision technology, which provides up to 18 camera angles, including a live view below the car. The AI Smart Hub Atlas, which powers the whole system, learns your patterns and automates the car's operations to make your trip smooth. The Hummer Motorhome really shines in the main living area. This open-concept smart lounge was created using high-end, environmentally friendly materials and a minimalist style. Voice and gesture controls for the lighting, heating, and entertainment system fully automate the room. With a deployable rooftop drone bay for trail scouting or filming stunning footage, the ceiling is a thing of art. A 65-inch television quietly drops from the ceiling when it's time to unwind. Every passenger has a unique and engaging experience thanks to a clever, multi-zone climate control system and built-in speakers in the headrests. There's a quiet hideaway just past the lounge. The bedroom has a king-size bed and a huge wraparound window that provides a panoramic view of the surroundings. A sophisticated music system and ambient lighting offer the ideal ambience for a pleasant sleep, while the smart, connected bed adapts to your body's requirements. The room is kept tidy and uncluttered with plenty of storage built into the walls and beneath the bed to keep all of your belongings stashed away. Luxury on the road is redefined in the bathroom. With a clever water recycling system that guarantees you can remain off the grid for longer, the roomy rainfall shower is a welcome sight after a long day of exploration. The vanity sink has a sleek, simple design, and the toilet is a contemporary, odorless compost system. Smart sensors are used throughout the room to regulate the ventilation and lighting, guaranteeing a comfortable and fresh experience wherever you go. The Hummer Motorhome's dedication to self-sufficiency is demonstrated by the gourmet-friendly kitchen. The car's high-capacity battery powers a huge refrigerator, a convection microwave oven, and a full-size induction burner. The smart pantry has a hydroponic garden that lets you produce fresh greens while you're on the go, and the counters are composed of a sturdy composite. A voice-activated built-in coffee helper makes sure there's always a fresh brew available.